How to update Scout app to the latest version. Are you guys facing issue to update the Scout application to the latest version? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To update the app to the latest version, first of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, now just simply click on Source icon and search for Scout. After search for Scout, click on the second icon where you can see this icon for Scout. Tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see two options, update and uninstall. You are looking to update the app to latest version, right? Just simply tap on update. As soon as you click on update, the latest version will start to download on your device. As soon as it gets downloaded, click on open. The latest version will be added on a Scout application. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna update the app to the latest version. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to us. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.